Not so long a time ago, in a school not so far away, a dino was spreading misconceptions about manufacturing. One brave Duck Knight must step up to fight the myths and prove the truth about manufacturing.
You need a college degree to have a job in manufacturing. That's quack!
I have a little bit of college in environmental science, and the rest of it was pretty much hands-on, learn as I go.
So I started my educational career actually here at DMI Companies. When I first started here, I was fresh out of high school, and a lot of my education for manufacturing and production was learned in-house here.
A career in manufacturing is dangerous. That's quack!
Number one, when I leave here, I want to make sure I can go home and not to the hospital, so that's the number one thing here.
There's no need for manufacturing. That's quack!
So as far as manufacturing goes, everything in daily life is manufactured. Even if it's something that isn't manufactured itself, it was either packaged in something or shipped in something that was.
Manufacturing facilities are wasteful and don't recycle. That's quack! Women do not have jobs in manufacturing. That's quack!
We've always had a wide variety of races, ages, and genders within the office. However, we have seen over the last 10 years, we've seen an increase in our shop as well for that diversification.
What's so cool about manufacturing?
For how fast technology is evolving correlates with manufacturing. Cell phones, anything you use on your daily life, computers, cell phones, vehicles, and I think that's probably the coolest thing about manufacturing.
That's what's so cool about manufacturing.